In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening PDF automatically. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, just go ahead, open up your Adobe app, and then just give it a couple of moments for it to open up for you. And now just switch and then go to the top left of the screen, click on the menu tab. After that, just go ahead, click on Preferences, and then go ahead, click on Internet. And from here, you can also go ahead, click on Internet Settings. And from here, you can also go to Programs. So let me just check first. Yeah, you can go to Programs and click on Manage Add-ons. Then after you have done that, just come here, click this, then click One Without Permission. Okay, then after that, you should be all good to go. This was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.